sun's coming up, hitch locked tight, yeah, we hooked it up. Dogs in the backseat, noses to the glass. One sniff of a truck stop, they're losing their class. Fuel gauge dropping faster than my pride. Wine catching the camper like it wants a ride. Every semi-pass feels a little too close. White knuckles gripping the wheel. Just coast, just coast. Mirrors wide, tires hum. Every mile's a lesson when you're tow life running. It's tow life, slow lane strong. 45 feels like I'm doing it wrong. Ford pulling heavy, trailer talking back. Wife saying brakes, foot already back. Yeah, tow life, hold on tight. She's grabbing the door handle, every red light. Hit the PA turnpike, toll stack up. Easy pass beats like good luck. Concrete lanes and crosswind fun. Why is it always windy on mile one? Swinging wide through a fuel stop maze. Trailer axles staring every way. I say I got it, she don't agree. Door handle squeaks like it's judge and jury. Every downhill feels like a test. Every uphill feels like a full confession. It's tow life, ease it down. Tap the brakes coming into town. Ford growling steady, doing its best. Wife saying why are we passing that? Yeah, tow life, white line prayer. She's bracing for impact in a lawn chair stare. Coffee's gone, dog needs out. Miss that exit, turn around. Wind at Thicery, grip it tight. Somehow we're fine, probably. Down I-95 with traffic thick. Left lane flyers, right lane bricks. Everyone's late, nobody yields. This ain't the place for trailer fields. Brake lights bloom like a warning sign. Wife grips hard every merge in time. I say relax, she says I am. Door handles bending like it understands. It's tow life, laugh it off. Missed the post by an inch, close enough. Truck still running, grit still straight. Marriage tested at the campground gate. Yeah, tow life, wouldn't trade. Even when she grabs the handle and starts to pray. Dash lights fade, engine cools. Chairs come out, dogs pass out too. That's tow life, slow and loud. Wouldn't run it any other route.